Michelle Hartzell with Bergie's Truck Center. I'm here with a 2019 Hino 155 with a 16-foot Hackney body. Take a look inside. It does have the ACE 6-speed automatic transmission, 210 horsepower. It is a diesel with a 30-gallon fuel tank. GVW on this is a 14.5. It also comes with the magnetic suspension driver's seat, power windows and door locks, AC, heated mirrors, and a backup camera. As I indicated before, it's a 16-foot Hackney body. As you can see, it also has the walk-up ramp, which I'll take you inside. Inside, you have plenty of shelving that comes with it. You can label it. It comes with the bins as well. Also includes LED lights, dome lights, which the switch is over there. If you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call at Bergie's. And don't forget, our parts, service, and tire centers are open for business. Stay safe.